everybody. Okay, I know everybody's been asking me about how to finish the circle skirt for girls. And so I'm going to show you. And these are just some samples of how the reversible circle skirt has been finished. I basically just use the bias edging and attached it to the bottom of the skirt. And it's real simple and easy to do. And I have a video that will show you how to do that. And let me just show you a little bit closer how you can make that hem look really, really nice. I strongly suggest using the bias foot for your sewing machine, which makes it a lot easier. And although I have it here just on 2 dolls, because I'm starting to make my prototypes more the doll size to kind of save on fabric. But as you'll see, the skirts come out really nice and really cute. So that's all there is to it. So let me go ahead and show you what you need to do. Okay, hands down, this is my favorite fabric for a skirt, for a circle skirt for a little girl. But one of the things I had to do was to even up these edges. Even though this is not going to be reversible, because I'm going to put a binding, how I'm going to finish it up, these two ends need to be even, matching with each other. So let me go ahead and stitch it together and show you what I mean. Okay. So now you can see the finished skirt. This is what the edge, the hem looks like using the seam binding. And here's where you kind of close it off. I just kind of cut one at an angle and attach it, and then I will stitch that down a little bit more. So you have a really cute, sweet little skirt, and it looks great. Oh, and just so you'll know, on the inside, because this is not reversible, you will see some of the stitches. So, and there you have it, your cute little skirt with a very nice edge, and it's all ready to go, to wear, to play, dress up in. You're good to go. And if for some reason, as part of your circle skirt, if you have, as you can see here, hopefully I can show you this. Okay. Where, because this one's reversible, it just seems like a little bit, I guess maybe when I put it together, it ended up being a little bit over. So you're just going to trim this part there. You just want to trim that off so that it's even all the way around. So when you attach your hem, your bias binding, it'll look perfect. One of the things that I like to do is make a running stitch all around the edge of the circle skirt, especially if it's one that's not going to be reversible. But it also helps when you're putting the bias tape, the edging on the side, that it keeps both pieces flush and together. And I would say make sure you use coordinating thread that matches your fabric, just in case some of it kind of peeks out. This is the inside of the circle skirt, and this is where, when you're just using 2 panels attached together. So you have 2 halves of a skirt, and then you just want to go ahead and attach them together for one full circle skirt.